What's up? This is Donovan Green from chairworkouts.com. Listen really fast before we get into the workout. If you have not done it yet, head on over to my website, chairworkouts.com. Become a member today. It's normally $14.99 per month, but I am running a special. Use the code SUPPORT, SUPPORT, and you will get in for $4.99 a month. Your support will keep these videos going, and you will keep me happy. Ding! All right, anyway, now let's get to working out. We're gonna do some stretches for your lower back, your hamstrings, your mobility in your torso, and so forth, okay? So let's do a quick warm up. I want you to sit to the edge of the chair. We're gonna bring one leg up and bring it down, the other one up and bring it down. Here we go. Pull the shoulders back, stomach nice and tight. Inhale and exhale. There it is. Every time I lift that leg up, I'm getting a little pause in between. There it is, come on. 13. 15, 16. Come on, 4 more. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Beautiful. Get the legs out, reach forward, drop the chin to your chest. Hold it, relax the shoulders for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, roll it up. Okay, let's go. We're gonna extend the left leg out, squeezing the quads 10 times on the left, then 10 times on the right. Chest is up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next side. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, you got this. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. That's what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna go extend the left leg out, stretch the hamstrings, and reach forward. And as you reach forward, you wanna pull the shoulders back so you're not rounding your back out. Pull the shoulders back. Oh, I hear some thunder. It's about to drop some rain here. It's about to pour. I hear that rain. It's about to come down. Pull the toes to the shin. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and time. All right, next side, same thing. Whenever you're doing these things and you feel a little tighter, don't get frustrated by the tightness. It's just a matter of doing this daily. Like, I have to remind myself to do this daily, like to get the body to feel looser from the joints, right? The hips, the knees, the wrists, everything. Shoulders, elbows, and relax. Perfect. Now we're gonna take that left leg and we're gonna scoot it out. We're gonna make a circle. 10 times to the left, outside, 10 times to the right. Left leg out, extend it out, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go to the inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, you can't. I don't think you can hear that thunder. That thunder is just going right now. All right, we're almost done though, so hopefully it doesn't come down. Here we go. Outside. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stomach tight. 10. Now go the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fantastic. Both legs out. Scoot to the edge of that chair a bit. Get them out as far as you can go. Do not fall off that chair. And I'm going to lean forward and come back up. That's 1. Lean forward, up. That's 2. If you want to make it more advanced, go out further. 3. 4. That's good. 5, you want to feel the stretch in the inner thigh. Come on. 6. Ooh, yeah. 7, we're going to hold it on the 10, okay? 8, we're going to finish off with a count of 20. 9, all right, now let's hold it to the bottom. Drop that chin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Take your time. Bring the legs in and out. Perfect. Back in. Now, that's pretty much all I need from you. Quick mobility movements, working on the hips, working on the hamstrings, allowing your body to work. You can do this in the AM every single day, and you could also do it in the nighttime every single day. Do it as much as you want to do them. Let me know how you're doing in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see next, and we're going to get it done. Right now, I'm in Covington. I'm in the square in Covington, in the town of Covington, where I live at. If you're ever in Covington, you give me a shout out. Yo, Donovan, what's up? How's it going? How's it going, D? All right. In the meantime, like I tell you, your body's just a body until you make it a temple. All right? So let's make it a temple. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.